It's okay to play with your frikandel. Cut.
It's well known that Dutch people eat some weird food, but this tops them all. Yes, I know, Dutch people are weird. They got the Dutch parties, they call it the Dutch party. You have to bring your own stuff because they say Dutch people are cheap.
I always bring my own beer.
You always bring your own beer. And it's like the weirdest Dutch thing to do. But the weirdest thing that we eat actually is, what is it? Raw herring, right? Raw fermented fish. We take it and we eat it like it is. And that's so cool. I love it, personally. But I understand if you're not from the Netherlands and you didn't grow up with it, it must be the most disgusting thing ever. Salty licorice. Salty licorice is so good. People that are not from the Netherlands, mostly, they hate it. They hate it. Dutch people are weird in that way. But it's not the only weird thing that we do. We do so many weird things, and I selected one that involves barbecue. I'm talking about frikandellen. German people know about frikandellen by now. If you've been to the Netherlands, you know about how we fry food and how much we love frying. We fry everything, and we love to fry frikandellen. But the last couple of years, we do not only fry frikandellen, we also, look, we even put them on the barbecue. It's a thing. It says it even on the package. It's a thing. So, if it's a thing, we gotta do it. It's like, it's our show.
Wait. First, let's go to the basic. What is a frikandel?
A frikandel. Holy moly. I've never looked at this label before. So here we go. Kippen separator vlees. Let's translate it to chicken separator flesh. Pork bacon. That's good. Water, breadcrumbs, salt, spices, garlic. What can go wrong? There are a couple of E numbers in there, conservatives, but basically that's it. Pork meat, chicken meat, garlic, spices. Come on. This is gonna be good. And this is going to be our frikandel rub. Starting with 1 part salt, 1 part paprika powder, 1 part onion, 1/4 part garlic powder, and 1/4 part curry powder. And that's how they come. Oh, totally frozen. And of course, I got the big pack. Emballage grande format. They must sell this in France as well because, look, the letters are in French. Let me know. Do you guys get this in France? Is it like a... Oh, maybe you guys have it in the US of A as well. Like a frozen section at Walmart for Dutch frikandellen? I bet it could work. And this is what they look like. Super frozen, super ugly, but just the smell, it just gets me excited. It's something that's like maybe pre-programmed or something. I love these things. And we have a version of it called special. You Dutchies know what I'm talking about. We're not gonna make the special version. Okay, only by popular request. If this video gets 5,000 likes,
5,000.
I'm gonna make a story with the Dutch fried special version, just for you. In itself, the frikandel tastes great, but we are weird Dutch people, so we're gonna put mayonnaise on, then we're gonna put the barbecue rub on, and make sure you get it everywhere. Now I know you think, what the f is this guy doing? But hold on, wait for it. It's gonna be good. We grilled our frikandellen on the Napoleon grill just to make sure that we add extra flavor. We caramelized the sugar at a low-medium heat. Don't take it to a high heat, otherwise everything will burn on the outside. But they're perfect as they are and ready for our next step. This is freaking good. Now put the camera off. Time to cut these frikandellen into bits. And now you see why we need 20 frikandellen. It's barely enough for 5 people. Put a little bit of butter on, put some white sugar on, and now it's time to make our barbecue sauce. We're gonna need a pan. We're going to need a whole cup of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of sherry vinegar, A tablespoon of
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce, some maple syrup, around a half a cup, and I like to put in some single malt whiskey. Well, we could do with a quarter cup. No, I didn't drink any of it yet. Finish it off with a little bit of leftover rub that we put on the frikandellen. And now, put it on some heat and let it come to a slow simmer. I don't know which crazy Dutch bastard thought of this the first, but I'm gonna give a big shout out to BBQ, or otherwise known as BBQ Naskos. Thank you, man, for putting this online and inspiring us to make crazy Dutch food on the barbecue. And you know it's gonna be good when you get that whiff in your nose of this stuff. It's like, whoa. Frikandellen burned ends. That's what this is called. You can't find this anywhere else in the world where they put it on a barbecue. Just a crazy Dutch. It's our proud moment, Morrison.
I'm so proud.
We should be celebrating. We should be waving Dutch flags, having a parade. Oh, we could have Frikandellen Day. It's gonna be a thing, I promise you.
It reminds me of when I was studying to be a cameraman, and you just go around the corner and you get yourself a frikandel or whatever. We have so many things.
I love frikandel speciaal, but this is better.
They sure do look better than a normal frikandel. It's like the chemicals in my head. They respond to frikandel. I think every Dutchman has this.
In the sauce with the butter and the sugar, it becomes like so many layers because we grilled the frikandellen and it made it like a little crunch on the outside with the rub and the mayonnaise, and now we had it in a basket, butter and barbecue sauce, and it's just soft and gooey on the outside, and wow.
Turning it into burned ends is a crazy, genius, evil idea, but so good.
You know, I used to be a window washer. On Saturdays we went to a snack bar and I would get like a big tray of frikandel speciaal, and they had hot curry sauce with mayonnaise and raw onions, and you get like a plate, and then you had the frikandellen like a mountain of frikandellen to eat. Those are good times. And I was younger then, so I could eat whatever I want.
My father used to have like a camping ground, and he made for the kids. He sliced the top part of the frikandel and put a French fry in it, and he called it the crocodile. You can do so much with it. You can play around. It's okay to play with your frikandel. Okay, Cut.
I think every Dutch guy has some warrior stories on when they went to snack bars.
Mm-hmm. Already could be the whole episode, just us talking.
We could have a podcast about eating. I think we might have even 100 different types of snacks.
I even heard about deep frying a bounty.
Bounties.
And Snickers.
Broodje papau.
Broodje papau.
Broodje warm vlees. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I'm getting hungry. We should do more frikandellen.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the weird thing. I never have that when we eat.
Yeah.
But this time when we're finished, I'm hungry.
It's so good. It's so good.
We need more frikandellen. See you guys.
See you guys in the next video. I want to thank all the patrons and the YouTube members.
That's right. Big thumbs up and a comment down below.
I hope to see you guys next time.
What's with
Until
the finger?
Then.
Bye-bye.
Eet smakelijk. And keep on grilling.
That's right.
Ja.
And it started raining again.
Oh,
it couldn't be more Dutch than this.
Oh no.
Frikandellen and rain.